How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert your Valorant sensitivity in OSU. So in order to do this, we need to use some third-party software. You can simply search for the Valorant to OSU sense on your Google Chrome. And from here, you want to navigate through the gamingsmart.com mouse sensitivity converter. So just simply click on it. In here, you want to select Valorant. Basically, our sensitivity is coming from Valorant, basically to OSU. This is our DPI, and this is our 2 DPI. Basically, I'm using the exact same thing, which is going to be 800. And the sensitivity that I'm using for Valorant is going to be 0.73. And now our convergent sensitivity is going to be 0.639. Just copy it, head over back to OSU. And now we could use this as our sensitivity. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.